Hey everyone, check out Neaties Plastic Hangers 45-pack, proudly made in the USA with quality you can trust. These hangers hold up to 6 pounds, perfect for dresses, lingerie, shirts, pants, and jackets. They feature handy strap hooks to keep your clothes securely in place. Available in classic white and black, with more colors coming soon to brighten your closet. Choose from different pack sizes like 30, 45, or 60 to fit your organizing needs. Neaties offers a variety of plastic hangers designed to keep your wardrobe neat and tidy. Upgrade your closet with durable, American-made hangers that combine function and style. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.